Hi, I'm Randy Golden from Medical Technologies of Georgia, and I'm here today to show everybody our brand new MTG Eagle Adaptive Self-Catheterization Board for use by tetraplegics or anybody really with poor dexterity attempting to self-catheterize. We brought this product to market for people with poor dexterity to help them self-catheterize. That's tetraplegics, amputees, people with MS, anybody with Parkinson's disease, anyone really who struggles holding the penis and advancing the catheter. This board is going to allow you to be able to self-catheterize even if you have poor dexterity. So the board is designed to fit in the lap. This is the male version. We expect to have the female version out next year. First of all, we have a penile cuff with pads on the upper and lower side of the trough. You'll obviously get the correct size pad for the size of your anatomy. And if you need to, you can also add pads. We can build on either the upper or lower trough to add size to get the right size for the diameter. There is a magnet on here and a wall too, which keeps the skin from being pinched. The idea with a magnet is that once the cuff is closed, it won't open automatically if you have an erection when you catheterize. Okay? Now, the bag holder. The product's designed for use with our Easy Gripper catheter, and I'll explain how the bag holder works in a second. The wings. These are going to fit on the legs, and they are going to allow the board to remain at a slightly downward graze so that the urine's going to flow down into the bag. Finger holes. These are designed to do a couple things. A, help you get the bag out of your backpack or wherever it's being stored, and also to facilitate drainage once the urine starts to flow. Underneath the board, pants hook. If you have any issues with clothing, this will help get the clothing out of the way to allow you to self-catheterize. Okay? And then for storage, we're going to fold the wings under, and again, using that finger hole, place the backpack back in our storage container. Alright, so let's see how to actually use the board. You'll want to use the finger hole to bring the board toward the body. The pants hook will be used to grab the waistband of your pants. You'll want to wear sports shorts, some sort of elastic shorts that have a bit of elasticity to them. And as you pull the pants down, the penis will come out, of course, and you're going to put the penis into the penile cuff, just like so. Reach back now. Take the cap off the bag, set it aside, toss it I should say, and then you want to just place the catheter bag in the little bag holder here. The little rubber part fits right on there snugly. You may want to go tap, tap, tap to get it in. Now, we're going to bring the introducer tip into the body, into the urethra, into the penis by just pulling the whole bag forward just like so. When I'm ready to go, and I'm going to push back so everybody can see because I've got my pants on here still, I'm going to hold one hand on one of the wings. I'm going to use the other hand to grab the gripper part of the catheter, and I'm going to pull the gripper toward my body. And then I'm going to reload it. And I'm going to continue going back and forth. And you can see that I'm not using my fingers at all, and that catheter is coming right out of the bag. At some point we're going to get urine flow. Urine's going to go down into the bag, and the bag will begin to fill. When I'm completely empty, I'm going to use that finger hole. I'm going to pull the catheter out of the body about 1 inch, see if I have residual fluid. When I'm completely empty, I'm going to reach my other hand around, and I'm going to grab the pants hook. I'm going to go over to the toilet, and I'm going to direct the fluid down into the toilet from the bag itself. Okay, if I haven't got the dexterity to tear the bag open, this is the best way to get the fluid out. You can tear the bag if you have dexterity to do so. When the urine is completely vacated the bag, I'm going to use my hand, and I'm going to put my hand between the bag and the board, and I'm going to pop the bag off the board, just like so. Inside the package, the gripper catheter package, they come with a privacy bag. So it's a little trash bag, and I'm going to be able to take the catheter and toss away the refuse in a discreet privacy bag. I'm just going to set this aside. I didn't bring one with me today because really the main reason I wanted to show everybody is the board, not so much the catheter. Okay? When I'm finished, I'm going to wash the board, and I'm going to fold the wings under, just like so. Now, one more thing. Let's talk about people that have erections every time they catheterize. And a lot of the younger guys that use catheters will have an erection almost every time they cath. We have put Allen screws in here that you can actually tighten down, okay? So you can actually get the board to rest at a 45-degree angle from the body in this manner right here. In fact, let me turn sideways so everybody can see this, how this is going to work. Okay, so the board will actually stay in this position. So now, again, I've got the bag on here. I just bring it forward. All I got to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, and once I see that the penis becomes a little bit more flaccid once the catheter goes in, I drop the board down in my lap and the urine goes down in the toilet just like it would normally. This product will be available in the early fall of 2017. So if you'd like more information about the product, please tune into our website, and you can call us at 888-511-4239 to learn about the exact availability date for our new Eagle Board at our MTG headquarters. Thanks very much for watching our video.